Hello, this app demonstration is about our app Symbihealth, which is a solution for nursing students and midwives to act as a tool for the birthing process. This is our sign in page. I have already created a new user for this demonstration video called demo. Its email is demo@gmail.com and its password is demo123, as we can see. When we sign in, since this is a user and not does not have admin credentials, it gets redirected to the user based functionality. In that, we have 6 screens. The 6 screens contain 4 screens about the different pain management techniques that we have wanted to display content about. They are Lamaze breathing, ball birthing, yoga birthing, and shiatsu techniques. All of these techniques have in detail explanations divided into stepwise format with videos as well as photos, so that a user can go through it and then learn about the process, look at the video, and then see if there is anything that they did not know before. After these 4 screens, as we can see, there is an assessment test. When a user goes through the 4 screens for the different techniques, they can then test their knowledge level on this question test. This question test is derived from a question bank of 50 questions, in which randomly 15 are selected and they are shown in the test screen. As we can see, this user has not given any tests before this, since it is a fresh user. Now let me give a test. So there are 15 questions. They will all be in MCQ format. When you select an option, it will display the correct option, the 3 wrong options, and the explanation as to why that particular option is correct. Let me just go through all the questions. For each and every question, there is a correct answer that is shown and an explanation for it. When we complete all 15 questions, in the last question, we see a See Results tab. This See Results tab shows us the score that the student or the nursing student or the midwife has scored. It gives you 3 options: either to retake the test, which allows you to go through the test process again, view your progress in the progress screen, or return home to go through the content again. Let us see the view progress page. In the view progress page, as we can see, 25th April 2025, right now, the score of 3 out of 15 was stored in our database and was displayed here. Over time, you can track your progress and see whether your scores are improving or not. When we go back to the test screen, we can see that either retake test or return home. Let us return home. For the last user-based functionality on the 6 screens, we have a risk prediction ML model. This takes into criteria various metrics, including age, the systolic BP, the diastolic BP, the blood sugar, the body temperature, and the heart rate of the mother who is pregnant. Let me enter a sample values to take the ML model. So the age is 30, 120, 87.5, 99, and 80. After inputting all the values, it will take these values into consideration and then run an ML model to see in the current position with all these metrics how risky birth would be. So when we press the get prediction model, a graph will be generated which shows the recommendation. So the graph is uh, displayed, in which we can see that it is a high/medium risk, and a recommendation which gives recommendations. For example, maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, etc. It also gives future solutions to get this risk level reduced so that the birth can be as less risky as possible. So these are the 6 functionalities. We have also implemented a dark mode for anyone who prefers using dark mode in their application. Now, our last functionality is a chatbot. This chatbot assists the user in answering queries that they might have. So, for example, what are the best 5 techniques for handling pain during pregnancy. As we can see, the question is displayed here. When we send it, the chatbot will respond to us with five techniques that it thinks: warmth, stretching, prenatal massage, rest and positioning, hydrotherapy. So you can keep doing this, and it shows a timestamp based chat for this user. We have also implemented an admin based functionality which can track various things regarding the tests, the number of users. I will be showing you that as our last functionality in this application. The admin credentials are admin@example.com, and the password is admin password. As we can see, the credentials has been inputted, and when we click the sign in button, we are redirected to the admin dashboard. In this, it is a live, recursively updating dashboard in which we can segregate the information based on week, month, and year. And since we are storing the test information with the date and timestamp, we can segregate the data in this format. As we can see, there have been 8 total users. An average score of 7.12 is the test score for the exam that is there, and there have been a total of 8 tests that have been given. As we can see, dated 25th April 2025, demo video was the user that we created, and it scored 3 out of 15. This sort of keeps a live track about all the users that are there in our application, and then what the performance is. This can be further improved based on the necessities of what we need to track over time. So this is the demonstration of Symbihealth, which is a tool that we hope will fruitfully change the lives of nursing students and midwives for who all participate in the birthing process. Thank you.